Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to show you my favorite handbag. It's not handbag, it's a crossbody, which I love, and I've been using it lately like almost every day because I can't carry like heavy bags anymore. So this is my bag right here. So this is Louis Vuitton favorite it's available. I don't know if it's available, but it's really hard to get these bags. I wanted to buy in a monogram, but when I see this in the store and I'm like, I have to have this. So I don't know, my mind just, I just changed my mind because it looks beautiful. It holds a lot of stuff, and I still can put more. And it has a long strap right here for my crossbody, and here you go. And this is a Damier print. I hope it's the right pronunciation. So well, it has gold hardware. This is really cute right here. It has gold chain is not too long, but you can carry like this if you don't want to use this strap. But I keep both things on, and sometimes I keep it like inside, right inside here, or hanging around. So because this part, it has a magnetic closure, so it can, it, keep it closed, and it gets a lot of scratches, so you have to be very careful because these bags are expensive. And I love it so much. So it does have these studs in the bag, which is holding a little pocket inside, if you can see the stitching. So yeah, I'm gonna link the link in the description box for online if you want to, because I bought it from Saks Fifth Avenue in downtown Toronto. And yeah, because I called them so many times to know like if this available, so it wasn't. But when I got it, the girl is really kind to me. She knows I bought another bag, which is, and they actually really appreciate their clients if they're looking to forward to buy another product. So she contacted me and informed me about this product. So oh, yeah, so I'm gonna it has this red lining. I want to show it. This is beautiful. I don't know, it's just so attractive, and I just fell in love with this bag when I saw this. So okay, in this bag I have got a lot of stuff. You see my comb right here, so embarrassing. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna open the bigger pocket because this comb actually came out. I want to show my comb. It's not too bad, but it's still like, it's not really clean. I usually carry a very small comb. I don't know why the big one is here. Some receipt. A Tarte smoky eye pencil, which I'm actually using right now. I have few of them, so I use them, I keep them everywhere, in my bag, in my vanity, in my other bag, and all that, because I love the smoky look of this. And then I have my glasses. These are very basic glasses, not very expensive. It's from Tom's. So yeah. Then I have mask, which is very important right now. I mean, it's my everyday thing. Then I've got my wallet. Everything is coming out from this bag, so this is the matching. I bought this wallet for this specific bag because I can't put my large wallets inside, so this is it. A mirror, and this is from Swarovski. So yeah, I got the cuticle cream. It's a cuticle balm, actually. It's just from Burst Beads. And everything is coming out of this bag. A lip pencil. This is Wet n Wild lip pencil, which I absolutely obsess. This is a beautiful color. It goes with everything: red, nude, pinks, everything. Then I have my YSL lipstick. Got Too Faced lipstick. It's a travel size. A receipt. Another medical mask. My keychains, keys and the cards, and this is Swarovski key ring. And this thing, it comes in handy. It's container that I put my medicines. If I'm carrying this, I don't forget my medicines. So yeah. Eye drops, hand sanitizer. Oh my goodness, it's coming. It's a Pandora box. Mint, you know that Listerine. Milk, lip balm. Another container for my medicines or chewing gum if I want. Oh my goodness. Another Listerine. A perfume. So this is a travel size thing. My headphones and my earphones. A Tarte lip balm. Receipt. What is this? Oh, it's a perfume again. Some mints. Perfume, 2 of them. This is La de Belle, so Lancome, and this says Cartier. What is it? Yeah. A hair tie. Another receipt. Oh my goodness. So this is my bag. I do have 2 more mints right here. So all this stuff, it came from the main pocket, and it's empty. It's quite full. And then okay, for the smaller one, this is very small thing right here. I have some, what is this? Nail polish remover pads, because जब ये उतरती है, I mean, when you think it's peeling or whatever, God, I guess it's so frustrating, so I have to keep them. So I just remove all of them. Okay, this is for the thing hair removing. I don't know why it's here. It's dirty. Emergency upper lips. Then I've got some appointments cards. Appointment card. My office tag, and it has my name and a picture, and this is from Coach. Metro Pass. Another card, and I have what? Some coins, I don't know why, and then a nail filer. So yeah, this is all, and the hair clip, it's right here. So it stays here for like, so yeah, this is my bag, and it holds a lot. I'm surprised that I got so much stuff right here. It came out of my bag, and I just love this bag. So see, this bag is very you know, useful for everyday use. You can take it to work if you don't want to carry a lot of weight, a lot of stuff, and to go anywhere, I just grab this bag and go. I don't have to worry about whether it's not matching with my outfit or whatever. It matches with every single thing. So yeah, this is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have any similar product in your bag, please comment me down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye.